Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo Lollipops at home full guide. Press each Oreo flat to form a sandwich, insert a lollipop stick into the cream center, and freeze for 10 minutes to set. Melt the chocolate slowly using a double boiler or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring between intervals until smooth and glossy. Dip frozen Oreos fully, tap off excess, add sprinkles, and let finish setting. Start with tempered or well-melted chocolate for smooth coverage and minimal bloom. Hold the lollipop by the stick, dip fully into chocolate, then lift and rotate to coat evenly while tapping the stick to shed excess. Use a fork or dipping tool to help support heavier toppings and allow drips to fall back into the bowl. Place on parchment and add decorations quickly so they adhere as the coating begins to set. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They store treats and tools neatly between sessions and save you time cleaning up. I find them handy when prepping batches of sweets or transporting treats to events. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Decorating is simple and fun, and small changes give big visual impact. After dipping, sprinkle colorful nonpareils, press crushed cookies or chopped nuts onto fresh chocolate, or drizzle contrasting chocolate in thin lines for a professional touch. Work on wax paper and use tweezers for precise placement of larger pieces. For gifting, wrap each pop with a clear bag and ribbon to keep them neat and showcase your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.